But what can last is my joy. And I can just be thinking about the things that God has done. So, and I'll be able to continue to be joyful because he's been good to me. And so if your partner wants to be happy, and we're talking about a particular event, then you could throw him a party for his birthday if that's what he wants, or if you just want to surprise him with a nice date somewhere, or you want to get him a nice gift to make him happy for the moment, then those are the things that you can do to make him happy. But he's responsible for his own joy. And you got to make sure that, the weight of his happiness is not on you. Because a person who mad, a person who depressed, they have to decide that they no longer want to feel that way. And don't beat me up for people who suffer through depression. I've been depressed at different times through my pregnancies, and I know it's very tough, right? But when I mean decide, I mean you got to know that you don't have to stay like that, because there is help. Even if you feel like that, even if you feel like there is no hope, just know that's a lie, because there is hope. I understand how people who are depressed feel, but there is hope. So you can speak life into him and let him know that there is hope. And of course you can pray for him, but his happiness, you don't want that to be dependent on you. It's something that will be too heavy for you to be able to carry.